Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a code for gifts, okay? If a new app is on the Temu app, you can use this code to claim your free gifts. If you're an existing user, you can also use this code and see how it works out for you. Once you download the app, or if you have the app on the phone already, just search this code on the Temu app search bar. FRS 127497, and just like that, click on the search sign and it's going to be offered to you. So from here you can see that I'm eligible to get 6 gifts. Okay, I can just go ahead and choose whatever it is I want, and I have to choose from this page. Okay, anything I want. Once I click, I'm just going to be choosing things at random. Okay, the first gift, the second one, this is the third one, the fourth one, fifth one, so I've chosen all 6 gifts. Now on Temu, once you're done choosing your gifts, you have to pay for some items. Okay, as you can see, I have a checkout minimum of 86 euro. You should know that as you're choosing your gifts, Temu is going to tell you to pay for some items at a minimum price. The higher the cost of the gifts you choose, the higher the minimum price you will have to pay when you're getting your paid items. So you should have that in mind. Okay, so all you need to do, or all I have to do if I want to go through with this purchase, is just for me to pick my paid items still on this page. All right, and then pay for it and place my order, and automatically I'm going to be seeing the gifts together with my paid items. Is that easy? If existing user, still go ahead to search for the code on the app and see if you're being offered a gift, but try and see. If you search and you're not offered any gifts, you should try the code ACY 077290. This code is for exclusive deals. It's going to give you really nice items at discount prices. Okay, new app users, you can also go ahead to search this code and see what it offers you. If you've gotten value from this video, please like, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll do well to reply your questions. Okay, thank you for watching to this point. See you in my next video. Bye.